Hey there, health enthusiasts! Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body with our top 5 delicious and healthy smoothie recipes. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these smoothies are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. So grab your blender and let's whip up some nutritious goodness. Hey everyone, welcome back to Topify Anything. I'm Noor, and today we're shaking things up in the kitchen with our list of the top 5 delicious and healthy smoothie recipes. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast on the go or a post-workout pick-me-up, these smoothies are sure to satisfy your cravings and fuel your body with goodness. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, the Green Goddess Smoothie. Packed with leafy greens, tropical fruits, and creamy avocado, this smoothie is a nutritional powerhouse that will leave you feeling energized and refreshed. Simply blend together a handful of spinach or kale, a ripe banana, a quarter of an avocado, a splash of coconut water, and a squeeze of lime juice until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a burst of green goodness with every sip. The Green Goddess Smoothie is not only delicious, but also a great way to sneak in some extra veggies into your diet. Bottoms up. At number 4, the Berry Blast Smoothie. Bursting with antioxidant-rich berries, creamy Greek yogurt, and a hint of honey, this smoothie is a delightful treat for your taste buds. Simply blend together a cup of mixed berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, a scoop of Greek yogurt, a drizzle of honey, and a splash of almond milk until creamy and smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a burst of fruity flavor with every sip. The Berry Blast Smoothie is not only delicious, but also a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without any added sugar. Cheers to good health. Coming in at number 3, the Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Transport yourself to a sunny beach with this refreshing and exotic smoothie that's bursting with tropical flavors. Simply blend together a cup of frozen pineapple chunks, a ripe banana, a splash of coconut milk, a handful of spinach for an extra nutritional boost, and a squeeze of lime juice until creamy and smooth. Pour into a glass, garnish with a slice of fresh pineapple or a sprig of mint, and enjoy a taste of paradise in every sip. The Tropical Paradise Smoothie is like a vacation in a glass, a perfect way to escape the daily grind and indulge in some tropical goodness. Cheers. Taking the number 2 spot on our list, the Protein Powerhouse Smoothie. Packed with protein-rich ingredients like Greek yogurt, almond butter, and chia seeds, this smoothie is perfect for refueling after a workout or keeping you satisfied until your next meal. Simply blend together a scoop of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of almond butter, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a ripe banana, and a splash of almond milk until creamy and smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a delicious and filling smoothie that will keep you fueled and focused all day long. The Protein Powerhouse Smoothie is a great way to sneak in some extra protein into your diet and keep hunger at bay. Bottoms up. And finally, the number 1 delicious and healthy smoothie recipe, the Sunrise Smoothie. Kickstart your day with this vibrant and refreshing smoothie that's bursting with citrus flavors and tropical goodness. Simply blend together a cup of frozen mango chunks, a peeled and segmented orange, a splash of coconut water, a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, and a squeeze of lime juice until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass, garnish with a slice of orange or a sprig of mint, and enjoy a taste of sunshine in every sip. The Sunrise Smoothie is not only delicious, but also a great way to boost your immune system and start your day off on the right foot. Cheers to good health and sunny days ahead. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 delicious and healthy smoothie recipes. Which recipe are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutritious and delicious recipes. Until next time.